For whosoever shall do the will of my Father which is in heaven, the same is my brother and sister and mother. May God bless you. Amen. Tupo kapava na may duzong ti apiang tsuka unaw te, kafarnu te, kanute ani asin, atiya. Patian duzong ti apiang te tsu isu unaw te kanni. Lalpan malsom cerok se. Amen.